Today I'm going to talk to you about Fitbits. First off, what is a Fitbit? A Fitbit is a physical activity tracker designed to help you become more active, eat a more well-rounded diet, sleep better, and ultimately turn you into a healthier human being. Today in particular, I'm going to be talking about the Fitbit Flex. Fitbit trackers use a 3-axis accelerometer to understand your motions. An accelerometer is a device that turns movement acceleration of a body into digital measurements, data, when attached to the body. By analyzing acceleration data, our trackers provide detailed information about frequency, duration, intensity, and patterns of movement to determine your steps taken, distance traveled, calories burned, and sleep quality. The 3-axis implementation allows the accelerometer to measure your motion in any way that you move, making its activity measurements more precise than older single-axis pedometers. So first of all, a Fitbit Flex looks like this. You have your data device that gets inserted into the back of your Fitbit. It is then comfortably worn on your wrist, as shown here. To charge your Fitbit, you remove the device and plug it into the charger, which then gets plugged into a USB. Wrong way. Make sure you line up the 3 dots in the device as shown. This will then be plugged into a USB charger. Next off, how to use a Fitbit. So as I said, you will place the Fitbit onto your wrist. Make sure the 3 dots are inserted here. There's an arrow, making sure you put it the right way. There you go. And place it comfortably on your wrist. There we go. Pros and cons to a Fitbit Flex. Fitbit Flexes are easy to wear. They are lightweight and comfortable. They are water resistant, so you can use them when you're washing dishes or taking a shower. You can even go for a swim. They are a huge motivator. As you watch your data increase, you will get motivated to work out more. Also, the dashboard is very simple and easy to read. If you look closely, you can see it monitors the number of steps you've taken for the day. You can also track your sleep. You have to manually input the amount of water you drink and also your calories you will manually track. Some of the cons when talking about the Fitbit Flex is the Flex does not have a watch. As you can see, there's no watch on the Fitbit Flex, which sometimes is frustrating for people because that's the arm that they wear a watch on. Also, sometimes it's a lot of work to establish your food menu when you're inputting the data. Also, when you want to see your progress for the day, you tap on it, and sometimes it's a little tricky. As you can see, it lights up. The dots represent 20%. Each dot represents 20% of your goal. When it is flashing, it means that is what you're working on at the moment. Now, more importantly, how can Fitbits be used in the classroom? My idea is to do a class wellness program where every student is wearing a Fitbit. Initially, you might start off by just monitoring how many steps students take. So you might set a goal. This Fitbit automatically sets it at 10,000 steps. If for a student who automatically hits 10,000 steps at the beginning of the day, you might have them increase theirs to 14 or 16,000. Anyways, tracking students' steps would monitor their activity for the day. This would allow you to see how much physical activity your students are getting, whether they are meeting their goals or whether they need to improve their physical activity in a day. Across America, students are needing more exercise, and they say that with regular exercise, students learn better in the classroom. In addition to tracking the exercise, we can start monitoring their sleep. This allows students to self-monitor whether they're getting enough sleep in a night, and also they could start a journal that would be able to chart how they're feeling throughout the day and the relationship, compare and contrast how they're feeling on a good day versus a day they feel tired and sluggish, whether they had enough food for that day or if they got enough rest. These are just a few ideas of ways you can implement a Fitbit into a classroom setting. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.